Preparing for the career service exam can feel overwhelming, but with the right plan, you can master it step by step. Over the next 30 days, I'll walk you through a focused daily study routine packed with techniques and examples to help you build confidence and improve steadily. Let's begin. Day 1. Know your exam. The first day is all about exam orientation. Start by downloading the official syllabus and exam guidelines. Understand the subjects covered: English, mathematics, general information, and more. For example, if you see that the exam includes 50 questions on English vocabulary and grammar, 40 on math, and 30 on general info, write this down. Create a study binder with dividers labeled by subject. This organized setup will make your daily study sessions more efficient. Day 2. Gather your materials. Gather your study materials. Reliable resources might include past exam papers and trusted online tutorials. Organize digital resources in a dedicated folder on your device and bookmark useful websites. Also, prepare your note-taking tools, notebooks, highlighters, sticky notes, whatever helps you focus. Day 3. Diagnostic test. It's time for your diagnostic test. Find a past career service exam paper online or in your study books and complete it under timed conditions. Say, 2 hours without interruptions. Don't stress about your score. Instead, mark which sections gave you difficulty. For example, if you struggled with math word problems or grammar tenses, note those down for focused review. Day 4. English grammar basics. Focus on English grammar fundamentals. Study key areas like subject-verb agreement, tenses, and modifiers. Example technique. Use error spotting. Take sentences like, "She go to school yesterday," and identify the error. Go should be went. Write 20 such sentences, correct them, and review explanations. This active approach helps reinforce rules. Day 5. Vocabulary building. Today's focus: building vocabulary. Learn 10 new words with meanings and usage. For example, meticulous means showing great attention to detail. Use the keyword method. Associate meticulous with an image of someone carefully organizing papers. Then write sentences like, "She is meticulous when preparing reports." Use flashcards and review these words throughout the day. Day 6. Reading comprehension. Practice reading comprehension. Select short passages from newspapers or online articles. Technique: highlight keywords and phrases that point to the main idea or author's intent. Then answer questions about the passage. For instance, if a passage discusses environmental protection, underline words like pollution, conservation, and sustainability. When answering questions, refer back to those highlights for clues. Day 7. Mathematics basics. Today, cover basic math operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with whole numbers, fractions, and decimals. Example: practice converting 0.75 to a fraction 3/4. Or solve word problems like, if you buy 3 pens at 15 pesos each, how much is the total? Memorize formulas like percentage calculation, part divided by whole, times 100. Day 8. Math problem solving. Focus on math word problems involving ratios and proportions. Example: if 4 apples cost 20 pesos, how much do 10 apples cost? Use cross-multiplication to find the answer. Also practice eliminating impossible answers. If 2 choices are close in value, consider which makes sense logically. Day 9. Logical reasoning patterns. Work on logical reasoning patterns. Example: number sequences 2, 4, 8, 16. Here, each number doubles the previous one, so the next is 32. Solve about 10 pattern recognition problems, explaining aloud or writing down your thought process to solidify understanding. Day 10. Logical deduction. Advance to logical deductions and analogies. Example analogy: bird is to fly as fish is to blank. The answer is swim. Practice identifying relationships between pairs of words or numbers. Timed quizzes will help build speed and accuracy. Day 11. General information. Philippine Constitution. Study Philippine Constitution basics. Focus on key articles about citizen rights and government structure. Watch a 10-minute video summary to complement reading the text. Take notes on important points like the 3 branches of government. Day 12 Code of Conduct and Ethics. Learn about the Code of Conduct and Ethics for public officials. Create flashcards of core principles like integrity and accountability. Review them several times. Apply these principles to hypothetical situations. If a public official accepts gifts, what ethical rule is violated? Day 13 Review weak areas. Review your diagnostic test results and focus on weak topics. Maintain a mistake journal where you write each error, why it happened, and the correct approach. For example, if you repeatedly miss questions on past tense verbs, write sample sentences to practice. Day 14 Essay writing practice. Practice essay writing. Pick a familiar topic such as the importance of public service. Use the Peel structure. Start with a clear point, give evidence or examples, explain the meaning, and link back to the topic. Example: public service is crucial because it ensures the welfare of the community. For instance, public health programs prevent diseases. Day 15 Mixed Subject Timed Test. Take a mixed subject time test. Include English, math, and general information. Use the strategy of answering easy questions first, then tackling harder ones. This prevents getting stuck. Immediately review errors to understand what caused the mistake. Day 16 Advanced Math Topics. Study advanced math, algebraic expressions, and simple geometry. Draw diagrams for geometry questions to visualize shapes and angles. Day 17 Reading Comprehension Drill. Return to reading comprehension with longer passages. Practice skimming, reading quickly for main ideas, and scanning, looking for specific details. Example: find the author's opinion on a topic by scanning for phrases like, "I believe," or "It is clear that." Day 18 Logical Reasoning Full Practice. Practice logical reasoning with puzzles. Work through syllogisms and deductive reasoning problems. Write down premises and conclusions step by step to clarify logic. Day 19 General Information Deep Dive. Study current events and general knowledge focused on the Philippines. Read headlines, take notes on key dates, laws, or events. For example, learn about recent government programs or historical milestones. Day 20 Practice Test and Review. Take a full-length mock exam under strict time limits. Simulate the real exam environment. Quiet room, no phone, timer set. This builds stamina and exam readiness. Day 21 Targeted Review of Errors. Review the mock exam thoroughly. For each wrong answer, write why you made the mistake and how to avoid it next time. This reflection deepens learning. Day 22 Vocabulary and Grammar Boost. Expand your English vocabulary with 15 new words. Use spaced repetition apps to review these words multiple times today. Practice writing short paragraphs using them. Day 23 Math Problem Sets. Practice math problem sets mixing topics. Word problems, percentages, and algebra. Try the back-solving technique. Plug answer choices into the problem to see which works. Day 24 Logical Reasoning Time Drill. Timed logical reasoning drills. Set a timer for each question to improve speed. Use elimination and pattern recognition as shortcuts. Day 25 General Information Review. Review general information again. Use mnemonics to memorize facts. For example, use RICE to remember the steps in first aid. Rest, ice, compression, elevation. Day 26 Full Mock Exam Number 2. Take your second full mock exam under timed exam-like conditions. Stay calm and apply all your pacing and answering strategies. Day 27 Detailed Analysis of Mock Exam. Review your mock exam results carefully. Write detailed explanations for mistakes to prevent repeating them. Focus on understanding, not just memorizing. Day 28 Intensive Weak Area Practice. Focus on your weakest subjects today. Use varied resources like videos, quizzes, and group discussions to get different perspectives. Day 29 Final Full Mock Exam. Final mock exam day. This is your dress rehearsal. Treat it seriously but stay confident. Aim for accuracy. Day 30 rest and mindset preparation. Rest and light review only. Go over flashcards or notes gently. Practice positive affirmations. I am prepared. I can do this. Get a good night's sleep. Hydrate and eat well for exam day. Remember, success comes from steady progress and belief in your own ability. Walk into your exam with confidence. You are ready. Best of luck, and go ace that career service exam.